Hello, this is Dr. Prasad Villam, class on biogas conversion or biomass or bioconversion or production of biogas. Okay, now the principle of bioconversion. The bioconversion it refers to the process of converting organic material, each type of organic material such as plant, animal waste into useful energy sources through a biological process. Okay, there are different conversion principles, means different stages of conversion. First, it undergoes microbial degradation. It Microbial degradation it involves breaking the organic matter to smaller molecules, methane, ethanol, finally producing methane, ethanol like that. Fermentation it is the process of converting the sugar into alcohol or acid by the action of microorganism. And third stage, that is either aerobic or anaerobic digestion. There are two types, that is aerobic and anaerobic. Okay, so these three things happen in bioconversion, the main principle. First one, breaking down into smaller molecule, then converting into alcohol or acid, then further anaerobic or aerobic digestion. So first two stages it is clear, converting a bigger molecule to smaller molecule like a sugar or fatty acid or something. Then from there further it is converted into alcohol in the fermentation stage. Third stage, anaerobic or aerobic digestion. So we'll see the anaerobic digestion. In anaerobic digestion, the four stages are mentioned, that is hydrolysis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. Okay, so these four stages are there in our normal digestion, in our human being stomach. There are the same processes happening, like hydrolysis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis process are happening in our stomach when we take food into stomach. Okay, we'll see in case of anaerobic digestion or anaerobic digestion biogas plant. So this is one such schematic representation of an anaerobic biogas plant. Anaerobic means air is not there. Air is not there means oxygen is not there. That is the main meaning of anaerobic. It's a closed container, highly controlled, closed, sealed. This is the cement, concrete, and only supply of the substance, removal of the gas, as well as a shaft to mix the material inside that. So here the process of hydrolysis, acetogenesis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis are given in this simple diagram, this circular way. It starts with the agricultural waste, the plant waste, food waste, animal waste, all those things are mixed with the sludge, activated sludge, waste activated sludge. Actually, the meaning WAS means waste activated sludge. That is WAS means sludge in the sense we have to supply some bacteria also mixed with the organic matter, so that not waiting that bacteria will grow inside that and it will digest the organic waste. Some bacteria containing waste uh, activated sludge, that is WAS, also mixed along with that little bit. Then it undergoes a process called hydrolysis. In hydrolysis, the large molecules like the carbohydrates or the proteins or even fat, these are a bigger molecule. They are cut into smaller molecules. Hydrolysis in the sense adding more hydrogen to that. That is the meaning of that. So in a carbon chain, we know that most of the organic molecules, the main backbone is carbon-carbon bonds. Okay, so a long chain means bigger molecule means so many carbon atoms are connected one by one, C to C. Okay, so long it connected after a long lengthy molecule. Okay, so if more hydrogens are added to that, the carbon-carbon bond can break, and it can connect it to hydrogen. Carbon will connect it to hydrogen. That means carbon-carbon chain breaks. Bigger molecule are broken down to smaller molecule. That is the main process of called hydrolysis. Okay, that means more hydrogens are getting added there. Therefore, the word meaning is given. The word name is given as hydrolysis. Okay, that for example, the proteins becomes amino acids. The fat can easily be converted into fatty acids. Carbohydrates, uh, carbon and hydrogen containing, can be easily converted into sugars. Therefore, the agricultural waste, they finally convert into smaller substances, soluble organic substances like sugar, fatty acid, amino acid, etc. Then next process, that is acidogenesis. In acidogenesis, the uh, uh, the smaller molecule like the sugar, fatty acid, or amino acid, again they are organic acids. They are organic compounds only. They are converted into organic acids. Their corresponding acidic form, maybe lactic acid or acetic acid, or convert into alcohols, or finally convert into hydrogen or carbon dioxide. That process is called uh, uh, acidogenesis. So for acidogenesis, there should be a bacteria which are called acid producing bacteria should be present in that system. Those microorganisms, they convert the bigger, somewhat bigger, but already in the first stage we got a smaller molecule. They further convert into even smaller volatile compounds, or convert into gases. VFA means they are volatile gases. Or they convert into hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Finally, that is acidogenesis. Then after acidogenesis, acidic form converted, then again lastly to the hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Then comes the acetogenesis, that is to get the uh, acetic acid or methane production. Okay, so acetogenesis, the alcohols formed in that stage, like the lactic acid or the acetic acid formed, they are further converted completely to acetic acid form, hydrogen and carbon dioxide form. Mainly acetic acid is the main important one, because acetic acid is the main ingredient which is needed for finally convert into the methane gas or biogas. Okay, so the acetogenesis, in that again it is a microorganisms work only. They convert more acetic acid well. Then in the next stage called methanogenesis, again the acetic acids are converted into methane gas. Methane as well as carbon dioxide also formed. Okay, so this is the process happening in anaerobic, happening in anaerobic digestion or anaerobic biogas plant system. Okay, so again, if the image is explained, the waste material is taken inside. It is mixed with the sludge. Okay, by using a long or a heavy stirrer or mixer, it is continuously mixed. It is mixed with the sludge, the organic waste, the food waste or animal waste. It is animal dead waste. It is mixed here, and the bacteria will start working. It will convert into sugars, fatty acid, amino acid. Then it is converted into uh, the corresponding acidic form. Then again, it is converted into acetic acid form. Then it is converted into methane gas. Methane gas, finally we call it as the biogas. And biogas, as soon as it is filled here, it will be taken out, and even some other gases formed, they also will be taken out from that. and whatever the waste, remaining waste, that is taken out in the ejection pipe. So that's about aerobic uh, anaerobic digestion. So read this sentence now. So hydrolysis is a complex organic material are broken down to simpler soluble molecules. Acidogenesis, soluble molecules are further degraded into produce volatile fatty acids, VFAs. The volatile fatty acids are converted into acetic acid, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. And in methanogenesis, the methane is produced by methanogenic bacteria from acetic acid, and as well as production of hydrogen and carbon dioxide. So it's a highly efficient in producing methane, and it can be used in biogas for various energy needs. That's about anaerobic digestion. About aerobic digestion, I will take a separate video.